Hey my friends, Runar again. Just a little update on the water spray pistol thingy. This is just a plastic covers. Here are the internals that I put on the Foster coupling. I removed the front clicking piece where I will put this. I took one of the adapters that came in the pack and I cut the tip of it and glued with epoxy a 4.5mm smoothbore steel BB barrel I had laying around. So, but what I intend to do is I have an airsoft barrel here. I had grinded it down. Maybe you can see the grinding marks from about there and forward, or backwards I should say, because this is where you put the hop up normally. I had been tinkering with it to put it inside an airsoft sniper, but I couldn't make it to fit, and I later on sold the sniper. So this is an ASG barrel. And should be 6.01mm or something inside, and it should slide just over the BB barrel. I will not, this is just for show, I will not put it this way, and I will trim away some of the glue here so it won't, so it will slide further down. This is for making it more stable. I will use this end, but I will cut off that front piece there. So this will be the front of the barrel, but minus that cut out part there. Then I can muzzle load airsoft BBs, and if I want to I can just by clicking this barrel on and off I can load it with pellets, 4.5mm pellets, just pushing it in and shoot. It will be a very short barrel for 4.5mm, but I intend to use it with this, glue this in place. So this will mainly be an airsoft type sniper device, looking something like so. So we will see how far I can get today. At least I will glue it onto this piece, and if I get time and the glue is dried I will use 5-minute epoxy. Then maybe we can try a couple of shots. I don't know yet. We will see. So it's now gonna got about 30 minutes since I glued it. Feels quite solid. So 4.5mm, that goes up to about here, and the rest is 6mm airsoft. So I have some airsoft BBs you can try just to see. And another thing, I took 16mm PVC tubing, the electrical kind. I screwed it on yesterday, and it was a tight fit, but it should work. I need to put it in a vise so I can really screw it, tighten it down. Then we can shoot rubber balls, 50 caliber. Or maybe, if you remember the video where I have the PVC rocket, I can try that over here and ploop, see how that goes. So this is the adapter that sits on it when you get it. And again, you can unscrew the whole thing. And then I think I have a 10mm threading on the steel pipe here. So and this sits, of course, like so. Look like some kind of probing device. So yeah, it comes with a bunch of these adapters. So maybe I will put a screw down here, drill a hole in it, and then into a wooden plug, and then fasten that to a PVC pipe or something. Who knows? It's a plethora of options. Lots of fun stuff you can make with these pressure water pistols, if you can call it a pistol. So, I've been watching a couple of videos lately, and they did not cut it. They used the original M22 and had some fancy adapters angling it and putting a paintball bottle on the rear. One guy even had it on the front. So and they were shooting arrows. I'm not going to shoot any arrows because that would make it like a crossbow, and crossbows are regulated in Norway. You cannot just go buy a crossbow. So I'm not intending to buy any arrows or try it. Besides, I don't think any arrow will fit over the tube. I think it is 8mm or 9mm outside, and I don't think any arrows will fit over it anyway. So, by the way, I took a look at the air rifle that I intended to use, but I think it will be not too good. I was thinking about having this through the pistol grip on the air rifle, and then I can shoulder it and shoot it. But I'll have to figure out something else. Maybe I can make something that I can attach to this instead. So it just sits inside like so. And this is just clamped down like so. And it is held in place with 8 screws. Good thing about this is that it has a safety here, so you don't accidentally shoot when you don't intend to shoot. So let me put in the screws and see how it goes. I have twisted it down, that pressurized the hose and that small internal metal piece in the grip, and then I took it off. So it is not like giving a full dump of air. Muzzle loaded 3 BBs with a piece of paper in front. So they're shooting into my air gun trap there. Safety off. Let's see. Well, it shot. And it did not penetrate out the back. So let's try 6. 6.2 gram BBs. and a little piece of paper to keep it in place so it doesn't roll out the barrel. And now safety is on. Let's gas it up with some air and then turn it back off. Like so. Let's see if I can get us a Chrono number. Safety off. .2 gram BBs. 6.2 gram BBs gave me 380 feet per second. So, airsoft shotgun. And now I have put on the PVC pipe. Let's try muzzle load these rubber balls. 18 grains each, just over 1 gram each. So let's see. I will not load it like tight inside the barrel because that would possibly make it pop off. Just a little piece of paper to hold it in place. This is just a little test. I can check to see that the connections is okay. Gas it up, gas it off. So let's see, 3 rubber balls. Just shooting into my trap there, nothing specific. 3 rubber balls, 207 feet per second. And now 3 rubber balls, but I put some paper down first. Let's see if the velocity will be any higher. No. 199. So a WAD did not help. Here are the rest of the paper and the 3 balls. So yeah, it works. Barrel feel a bit wobbly, but as you can see. So the attachment through this piece here isn't like super straight. If I continue building on it, then I would put it inside a stock and have some sort of clamp holding it firm. So yeah, it uses just the air from the hose and a small part in the grip here, and that gave me 380 feet per second with 6.2 gram BBs. I'm quite sure that if I had this open and just squeezed it, then it might shoot even faster. So this is just a test. Just me messing around. I do it so you don't have to. But cheap. All the parts I had from before. The only thing I needed was this. And it is just under 200 Norwegian crowns. That's about $18 US or something these days. I grounded a little bit around the connecting point so I can get my fingers on that pulse thing here. So yeah, making it with a stock and using a smaller bottle. You can have it sitting under like so, maybe, I don't know. As I said, this thing has endless possibilities. So lots of stuff you can do with it. Okay. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.